Yes, in the last class we have seen some properties, addition, operational matrices we have seen. Now, let us see frankly speaking, last class a bit somewhat boring. I felt, I don't know how you felt, a bit boring. But this class will be interesting. Why? Because we are going to solve the problems on basing those. Okay, let us see. The first question. Questions are very simple. Yesterday I asked you to solve, those who understood the concept last class, those who understood, I asked them to start solving the problems in the textbook, easy questions. Okay. Let us see. First question, let capital A equals to 2432, capital B equal to 13 minus 25, C equals to minus 25, 3, 4. Find the following. Find each of the following. Find the following. Find the following. First question, first sub question, A plus B. Second sub question, A minus B. Third sub question, 3A minus C. Fourth sub question, AB. Fifth sub question, B. Right? Solution. First of all, we have to write given A, B, C. The warning is, while solving the questions, particularly from this chapter, in the examination while copying the question from the question paper, be very, 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 very careful. For example, in the question paper, the question is, find the value of 2 plus 3. Find the value of 2 plus 3. While copying the question from the question paper to the answer sheet, student what he is doing? 2 minus 3. What is the answer for this? 5. If a student writes 5, then only you get 1 mark. People are going to write like this: 2 minus 3 minus 1. Answer is correct for this question, but what we asked, what you wrote, don't expect mark for this. But after completion of correction, student comes to us and, sir, 2 minus 3 minus 1, it is correct only. Yeah, it is correct, but what we asked, this you have to solve. Okay. So while copying the question from the question paper, be very, 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 very careful. Be very careful. So A equals to, given A equals to 2432, B equals to 13 minus 25, C equals to minus 2534. First sub question, A plus B. First sub question, A plus B. What is A? You can solve with me. You no need to wait for my answer, those who understood the concept what I told in the last class. B 13 minus 25 equals to, just add. Those who understood, add directly. Those who did not understand, follow like this: 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 3 plus minus 2, 3 plus minus 2, 3 plus into minus minus 2, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. Next, second sub question, A minus B. Say here minus will come. 2, 4, 3, 2. 1 3 minus 2 5, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus of minus 2, 3 3 minus of minus 2, minus into minus plus, 3 plus 2, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 3 1, 3 plus 2 5, 2 minus 5 minus 3. 3a minus c, 3a minus c, 3 into a, what is a? 2 4 3 2, minus c, what is c? Minus 2 5 3 4, equals to first multiplication, then subtraction. First multiply, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 5 3 4, equals 6 minus minus 2, minus into minus plus, 6 plus 2, okay. 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4, equals to 6 plus 2 8, 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 4 2. That's it. First of all, multiplication, 3 into a, 3 into this one, minus c. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Scalar multiplication, minus, keep it as it is. Now subtraction. How we subtracted this one? Same like that. 6 plus 2 8, 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 4 2. Next, fourth sub question A B, fifth one B. Matrix multiplication, fourth and fifth questions. What is A? What is A? 2 4 3 2. What is B? 1 3 minus 2 5. Yesterday I explained how to multiply two matrices, but yesterday only I told that in deep I will explain later while solving the problems. Okay, whenever, listen very carefully, whenever we are going to multiply two matrices, we have to check the orders. We have to see the orders first. What is the order for the first matrix? First matrix order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Second matrix order 2 by 2. What is the condition to multiply two matrices? What is the condition? These are rows, these are columns for first matrix. These are rows, these are columns for second matrix. What is the condition should be there to multiply two matrices? These two should be same. Number of columns for the first matrix, number of rows for the second matrix, these two should be same. If these two are same, here columns, number of columns, here number of rows, both should be same. If these two are same, then we can multiply easily. What is the order for the answer? Order for the answer is 2 by 2. If your practice is extremely good, slowly, you no need to do this type of rough here. Here itself you can see, here 2 rows are there, here 2 columns are there. So answer is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Answer is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. I am explaining the trick how to multiply. I am explaining the trick how to multiply. Trick. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, first row, second row. 2 columns, first column, second column. Right? This is the first row, first column. This is the first row, second column. This is second row, first column. This is second row, second column. Okay, I am explaining the trick in a simple way how to multiply. A11, first row, first column. First row here, first column here. Multiplication. For multiplication, this is the trick. For multiplication, this is the trick. Okay, easy way to understand. I mean, first row, first column. First row, first column. Multiply 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. Next, this one. This one, A12, first row, second column. First row, second column. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Right? Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Next, A22, second row, second column. Second row, second column. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5 equals to 2 ones are 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 2 threes are 6 plus 4 fives are 20, 3 ones are 3 minus 4, 3 threes are 9 plus 10 equals to 2 minus 8 minus 6, 6 plus 20 26, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 9 plus 10 19. 9 plus 10 19. Right? Sir, is it necessary to write this much lengthy simplification? To get the exact correct answer, better to write like this. In the examination, better to write like this. No chance of making any mistake if you do like this. Next, fifth sub question, B into A. Fifth sub question, B into A. What is B? 1 3 minus 2 5. What is A? 2 4 3 2 equals to first matrix 2 by 2, second matrix 2 by 2. For first matrix, number of columns. For second matrix, number of rows. Both are same, so we can multiply easily. What is the order for the answer? This one, 2 by 2 matrix. Answer is 2 by 2 matrix, right? Now let us see, answer is 2 by 2 matrix now. 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, right? First one is A11, A12, A21, A22, right? A11, first row, first column. First row, first column. Here first row, here first column. 1 into 2, 3 into 3. This one, first row, second column. First row, second column. First row, second column. 1 into 4, 3 into 2. Right? Second row, first column. Second row, first column. minus 2 into 2, 5 into 3. Second row, second column, second row, second column, minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2, right, equals to 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 3s are 9, 1 into 4 plus 3 2s are 6, minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 15, minus 8 plus 10 equals to 2 plus 9 11, 4 plus 6 10, 15 minus 4 11, only 2, minus 8 plus 10 2. Okay now, if your practice is very good, then you can multiply very fast, you get the answer. 1 into 2, 2 plus 9 11, 1 into 4, 4 plus 6 10, minus 4 plus 15 11, minus 8 plus 10 2. We get the answer easily, right? Okay, let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. Chances are there to ask in this question only, what did you notice from question number 4 and 5? What did you notice from question number 4 and 5? What did we notice? AB, BA, both are not equal. Yesterday in the properties I told, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Not commutative means what? AB, BA, both are not equal. Okay? See here itself, the example is. Let us see next question. Next one, compute the following. Compute the following. First sub question. AB minus BA plus ABBA, ABBA. Okay now? First sub question equals to, in the last question we added, you know how to add, let us add A plus A plus B minus B plus B, A plus A equals to A plus A 2A, A plus B means A plus B only, minus B plus B 0, A plus A 2. That's it. AB minus BA, AB, BA, that's it. Second sub question. A square plus B square, B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square, plus 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC, minus 2AB, A square plus B square, B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square, 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC, minus 2AB, right. So just adding A square plus B square plus 2AB, B square plus C square plus 2BC, A square plus C square minus 2AC, Okay na? Minus 2ac. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square, b plus c whole square, a square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus c square minus 2ac, a minus c whole square, a minus b whole square. That's it, right? Next, third sub question. Minus 1 4 minus 1 4 minus 6 8 5 16 2 8 5. Twelve 7 6 8 0 5 3 2 4. Add these two. Adding. If you want to add two matrices, if you want to subtract two matrices, order should be same. Already we discussed, already we solved. Minus 1 plus 12. 4 plus 7. Corresponding elements we are adding. Minus 6 plus 6. 8 plus 8. 5 plus 0. 16 plus 5. 2 plus 3. 8 plus 2. Excuse me. 5 plus 4. Equals to 11, 11, 0, 16, 5, 21, 5, 10, 9. Right? In that only, next sub question. Fourth sub question. Cos square x sin square x. Sin square x cos square x. Plus sin square x cos square x. Cos square x sin square x. Okay. Again adding. What will be the answer? 1 1 1 1. Okay now. How 1 1 1 1? Cos square x plus sin square x becomes 1. Cos square x plus sin square x. Next, sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. Equals to cos square x plus sin square x 1, sin square x plus cos square x 1, 1, 1. Right? Now let us see the next one. Compute the indicated products. AB minus b a minus b a, multiplication of these two. Multiplication, first thing what we have to do, we have to see the orders. First matrix order 2 by 2, second matrix order 2 by 2. These two should be same. Yes, both are same. Then what is the answer? 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Two by two matrix. First row, second row, first column, second row. This is first row, first column, first row, first column. A into A plus B into B. This is the first row, second column, first row, second column. A into minus B plus B into A. This one. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Minus B into A. A into B. This one. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. Minus B into minus B. Plus A into A, right, equals to A into A square plus B into B square. A into minus B minus AB plus BA. BA can be written as AB. A can be written as AB. So sometime back you told AB is not equal to BA, we proved also. Yeah, AB is not equal to BA if A and B are matrices. In that question, capital A was matrix, capital B was matrix. Okay. Here, small a is matrix, small b is matrix. No, these are elements. Small a is element, small b is one element. Okay. Next, minus b into a, minus ab plus a. Minus into minus plus b square plus a square. So a square plus b square. Minus ab plus ab got cancelled 0. Minus ab plus ab got cancelled 0. This can be written as a square plus b square. A square plus b square you can take common. Then we get 1001. Let us check whether it is correct or not. A square plus b square into 1. A square plus b square. Correct. A square plus b square into 0, 0. So we can take a square plus b square common. A square plus b square into 0. What is that one? 0. Okay. A square plus b square into 1. A square plus b square. This is identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix, both are same. Right? Second sub question. 1, 2, 3 into 2, 3, 4. This is the question. This is the question. This is the question. Whenever you are multiplying two matrices, first of all, write the orders. Write the orders in rough. What is the order for the first matrix? How many rows are there? 3 rows are there for first matrix. 3 rows. 3 rows. How many columns are there? Only one column. Only one column. Second matrix. How many rows are there? Only one row. Only one. 3 columns are there. 3 columns. 3 columns are there. Whenever you want to multiply two matrices, number of columns for the first matrix, number of rows for the second matrix, both should be same. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Here number of columns for first matrix, number of rows for second matrix, both are same. So we can multiply. What is the order for the answer? 3 by 3. What is the order for the answer? 3 by 3. So answer is 3 by 3 matrix. First row, second row, third. First column, second column, third column. 3 by 3 means like this only, no? This is A11. Okay, now A11. A11 is what? First row, first column. First row, first row. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the first column. Only one column. This is the first row. This is the first column. This is second column. This is third column. First row, first column. In this matrix, first row. In this matrix, first column. That's it. In this matrix, first row. In this matrix, first column. Over. Over. Next. This one. First row, second column. First row. Second column. 1 into 3. Next. First row, third column. First row. This is first row. First row. Third column. This is third column. 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Okay. Next. Second row, first column. Second row. First column. Next, second row, second column. Second row. Second column. Next, second row, third column. Second row. Third column. Next, third row, first column. Third row. First column. Third row, second column. Third row. Second column. Third row, third column. Third row. Third column. 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. Yes. 2 2 2 3 2 4. 3 2 3 3 3 4. That's it. Okay. Equals to. This simplification you can do. Right? 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next, second see. Next, let us see third sub question. One minus 2, 2 3, 1 2 3, 2 3 1. First of all, what we have to do? We have to see the order. Whenever you are multiplying two matrices, we have to see the order. What is the order for the first matrix? 2 by 2. What is the order for the next matrix? How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. 3 columns are there. If you want to multiply any two matrices, number of columns for the first matrix, number of rows for the next matrix, both should be same. Then only multiplication is possible. So for the answer, what is the order? 2 by 3. For the answer, what is the order? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns is the answer, right? 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay, na? A11, first row, first column, first row, first column, first row, first column. First row means how many elements are there? First row means how many elements are there? 2 elements are there. First column means how many elements are there? 2 elements are there. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, over, no, plus. Minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 2. First row, first column, first row, first column, 1 into 2, over, that's it. That's why we did not write plus here. That's why we did not write plus here. Why we are writing plus here? First row, first column, 1 into 1, over, still first row elements are there, first column elements are there. Element is there here and here. These two also we have to multiply. These two also we have to multiply. Plus is not necessary. Why? Because first row, first column, over, that's it. Next, this one. First row, second column. First row, only one element. Second column, only one element, over. Coming to this one. A12, A12. First row, second column. First row, second column. 1 into 2. Minus 2 into 3. Right? Next, first row, third column. 1 into 3. Minus 2 into 1. First row, third. Right? First, second row, first column. Second row. First column. 2 into 1. 3 into 2. Second row, first column, 2 into 1, 3 into 2. Next, this one, A22, second row, second column, here second row, here second column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Next, second row, third column, second row, third column, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. Right? Equals to 1 minus 4, okay now, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 9, 6 plus 3. 1 minus 4, minus 3, 2 minus 4, minus 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 plus 6, 8, 39. Okay, this is the way of multiplication. Compare these two. If we give this question in the examination, people are writing like this in the exam. I don't know from where they got plus all of a sudden. Okay, why we are not writing plus here means first row, first column, over. First row, first column, 1 into 2. Here, first row, first column, 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. 1 into 1, not over, plus minus 2 into 2, over. First row over, first column over. Next, fourth sub question. Fourth one, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 5, 024 305 2 3 4 3 4 5 4 5 6 1 minus 3 5 0 2 4 305 equals to simple multiplication. This is 3 by 3, this also 3 by 3, answer also 3 by 3. 2 by 2, next one also 2 by 2, answer also 2 by 2. Right? So 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means 3 rows, 3 columns. First row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. Those who understood, those people can start solving the problem. You no need to wait for me. Try. You will get. If you try, you will get definitely. A11, first row, first column. Here, first row. Here, first column. Chalo multiply. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. First row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. Next, this address A12, first row, second column, first row, second column, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Right? First row, third column, first row, third column, first row, third, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5, right? Same like that, second row, first column, second row, first column, second row, first column, 3 into 1, 4 into 0, 5 into 3, okay now? A22, second row, second column, second row, second column, 3 into minus 3, 4 into 2, 5 into 0. Next, second row, third column, here second row, here third column, 3 into 5, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. Right? Third row, first column, third row, first column, 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3. Next, third row, second column, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. Third row, third column, third row, third column, third row, third column, 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 6 into 5. Okay, 0, 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, yes, correct, equals to 2 plus 0 plus 12, 2 ones are 2, 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 3, 12, next minus 6 plus 6 plus 0, 10 plus 12 plus 20, okay, 3 plus 0 plus 15, minus 9 plus 8 plus 0, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 4 plus 0 plus 18, minus 12 plus 10 plus 0, 20 plus 20 plus 30. Okay. Two plus 12, 14. minus 6 plus 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 10 plus 12, 22, 10 plus 12 plus 20, 10 plus 12 plus 20, 10 plus 12 plus 20, 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 15, 18, minus 9 plus 8, minus 1, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 2 plus 3, 5. Be very careful while adding. 4 plus 18, 22, minus 12 plus 10, minus 2, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 30, 7. So this is the answer for 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. One question I will give, you try that one. Try this one. The question is 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 1 into 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. This question and this question, next question. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 2. 2 minus 3, 1, 0, 3, 1. These two questions you try. First of all, you have to see the orders. Then you have to get the order for the answer. As per that, you have to write A1, A11, A12 like that. That should be in rough. This should not be seen in the main sheet. That should be in rough. And guess that answer. Write the order. As per that, you start calculating. Then you will get idea where we have to write plus, where we have to write into, and all these things, where we have to give gap. Once you get perfection in this, you no need to do all these rough work. Directly you can multiply. 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 3 into 1, 2 into minus 2. Minus 1. 3 into 0, 2 into 2. 3 into 1, 2 into 1. Like that you will get. Beginning stage, this trick is a bit necessary. Those who understood, you can leave this one. Those who can do, yes sir, we understood the method, we can do directly, that's better. But practice needed in the beginning stage. Okay? Try these two questions. Tomorrow I will solve these two questions also. Try these two. Right? See you later.